What if I told you some of the most normal feeding habits are secretly slowing your baby's growth? The scary part? Pediatric experts say many parents do these without knowing. In your baby's first year, their brain triples in size, body doubles, or triples in weight. Getting feeding right matters. So today, we're breaking down 10 feeding mistakes that can slow your baby's growth, along with simple doctor-backed fixes you can start today. And if you find this helpful, subscribe to Tiny Humans' practical parenting tips that actually work. 1. Overfeeding or underfeeding. Feeding based on guesswork instead of cues is very common, but too much can overwhelm digestion, and too little can limit essential nutrients. This can lead to poor weight gain or unhealthy feeding patterns.
Solution: watch for hunger cues like rooting and sucking, and stop when your baby turns away. Trust your baby's signals.
2. Starting solids too early or too late. Timing matters more than most parents realize. Too early can stress the digestive system. Too late can delay key nutrients like iron. This may affect brain development and steady weight gain. Solution: start around 6 months when your baby shows readiness signs like sitting with support and interest in food. 3. Giving the wrong foods too soon. Not all foods are safe for babies. Hard textures or unsafe foods can cause choking or illness. This can reduce food intake and affect proper growth. Solution: stick to soft, smooth foods. Avoid honey, hard chunks, and introduce foods one at a time. 4. Stopping milk too early. Once solids begin, milk often gets reduced too quickly, but milk is still the main source of nutrition in the first year. Cutting it early can create nutrient gaps and slow growth. Solution: continue breast milk or formula regularly while gradually increasing solids. 5. Prioritizing quantity over quality. Eating more doesn't always mean better nutrition. Sugary drinks or low-nutrient foods fill the stomach, but don't support development. This can lead to poor weight gain and weak nutritional intake. Solution: focus on nutrient-rich foods like vegetables, fruits, lentils, eggs, and fortified cereals. And this next mistake is something many parents completely overlook, but it can affect your baby's growth faster than you think. 6. Ignoring hydration needs. As solids increase, babies also need small amounts of water. Without enough fluid, digestion slows down. This can reduce appetite and affect overall growth. Solution: offer small sips of water after 6 months, especially in hot weather or illness. 7. Introducing cow's milk too early. Cow's milk before 12 months may seem harmless, but it's harder to digest and low in iron. This can lead to anemia and slower weight gain. Solution: stick to breast milk or a fortified formula until your baby turns 1. 8. Delaying texture progression. Keeping your baby on purees for too long feels safe, but it's not ideal. Babies need to learn chewing and texture skills. Delays can reduce food intake and affect weight gain. Solution: gradually move from purees to mashed foods and then soft finger foods by 8 to 9 months. 9. Using feeding as the only comfort tool. Not every cry means hunger, but feeding becomes the easy solution. Over time, babies may lose their natural hunger awareness. This can lead to overeating or undereating patterns. Solution: pause and observe. Comfort first if your baby recently ate. 10. Rushing or distracting. Feeding time. Feeding in a rush or with screens and noise affects how babies eat. They may not recognize when they're full or hungry. This can lead to inconsistent intake and slower growth. Solution: create a calm, distraction-free space and let your baby eat at their own pace. Most parents don't realize these mistakes until it starts affecting their baby's growth. But now, you do. Fix even a few of these, and you'll start seeing the difference. If this helped you, share it with another parent who needs this. And subscribe to Tiny Humans 101 for simple, practical parenting tips you can trust.